To enable developer option menu on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen to find about phone. Tap about phone. Scroll down the screen. Tap software information and then tap build number continuously for 7 times. Enter your screen lock. The developer option menu has been enabled. Tap the back key twice to go back to the setting menu screen. Scroll down the screen. You can see that the developer option menu is now available on your setting menu. Tap developer option. And here you can customize the required option within this menu according to your need. As a note, since developer option menu are primarily for Android app developers, make sure that you are aware of what you are doing and the risk that follows if you do some change within this menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.